Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about real ways to make money from home. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about making money from home, affiliate marketing, anything having to do with making money online. I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks along the way, different tools I recommend, different programs I'm going to be reviewing. But again, in today's video, we're going to be looking at real ways to make money from home. These are legitimate. If this is of interest to you in having more videos on this topic, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can know when I upload more videos, which right now is on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and get into the content. I'm really excited to talk with you about this. So again, real ways to make money from home, 5 legit ways. The first way is to start a YouTube channel. This is free, of course. And I would recommend that you do this in one of 3 different areas. And these are the most profitable niches. First one is relationships. Second one is health. And the third one is wealth. So you can find, it's better if you dial down into the niche so you get something a little bit more specific. So like health, you could go with the keto diet is real big right now, or CBD oil, something like that, and you could have your whole channel around one specific topic. Let's see, I want to share, this isn't in those 3 niches, but I have to share this YouTube channel with you because it's so interesting. They do book reviews, but all their videos are animated, and you can see that they have 955,000 subscribers, and a lot of their videos have like over 1 million views. So it's a really popular channel, and it's just something that you can model off of. You know, look at other successful YouTube channels. And if you start doing posting like 1 video a day, you would not be you would be surprised at where you would be in a year. One example is a gentleman I know who's in the wealth niche. He's an affiliate marketer, and he had a YouTube channel, and then he started posting daily content, I guess, for probably about a year, and he just crossed the 100,000 subscriber mark, and he makes $8,000 a month through the Google AdSense, the Partners program. So once you get up to 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 minutes, then you can apply to the Partners program, and then you get paid when there's advertisements placed at the beginning of your video, and then you get paid when people advertise on your video. So it's a really great way to make money and something fun that you could do. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is to become a freelance writer, and you can go to Upwork.com right here. Let's see, I'm going to go back here, and you can, there's all different categories that you can post it, that you're available to do work for people. So you can see web development, mobile development, design, writing, customer service, marketing, because people are constantly looking for people to hire, and I've hired quite a few people on here, and you can put up your job, that your skills, and you can make money through Upwork. And then there's another one that I wanted to tell you about. It's writing jobs. I'm going to leave a link below this video, but this one, it offers a 7-day free trial, and you get paid to write at home.
Do you want to make extra money writing online?
You get paid to write from home, and you can choose from thousands of jobs daily from different subjects. And let's see, this gentleman said he made $3,000 a month, earn up to to $120 per hour, get paid up to $50 an article, get paid $500 to $1,000 for short ebooks. So this is a great way to make money, is to write from home. So again, I'm going to leave a link below this video to this site. And let's see which resumes we are on. This is number 3. You can write resumes, and a site that you can go to is called talentinc.com, and you can go there and see the careers that are offered. And you can view corporate positions and writer positions. So if you're good at writing resumes, that is a good option for you. And then number 4, this is a really interesting job, is you could become a social media manager. So there's companies that know they need to have a presence online, but they don't have the knowledge or the time to do it. So you can manage their social media accounts for them, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any of their social media accounts, and then you could get paid monthly to manage the accounts. And there's courses that you can take on how to get clients and what exactly it entails to be a social media manager. And I'm looking up some good courses for you. When I find that there's one that I'm looking at, and I'll post this later in the below this video, a course that you can take that's really good. It's by Kate Buck, and she makes really good money every month through social media, being a social media manager, and she also teaches it. And then the last one is design graphics, and there's a website called Fiverr.com. You can go, and if you can do like graphic design here, you can sign up to become a seller. You can do digital marketing, writing, translation, any of these categories here if you're good with music, mixing music and things like that. And I've bought a lot of, it's called a gig, lots of gigs from here. So you charge $5, but some of them, they charge more. So this is a great way that you can make money through your skills at home. And this is real easy to get started with. Okay, so those are real ways to make money from home. These are just some examples. They're definitely legitimate ways, and I would recommend all of them. So if you received value from this video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you want to follow along, more videos on this topic of how to make money from home, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. This is Karen Merrill signing off. Take care.